Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to show you guys what my SMP treatment by Scalp Logic looks like in the sun. 3 sessions with Scalp Logic. It has been spectacular and it truly is life-changing. So let me show you what it looks like under the sun so you guys can see under this blaring Mexico sun what this looks like. So if you look at me right now, depending on the angle and depending on the light, you may not be able to see that shadow. I'm fairly certain, though, that you can see that shadow. And let me tell you, my head has 0 hair on it. Before this treatment, if I shaved my head, you could not see any shadow on my head. It was almost completely bald and white. Now, one of the reasons why my treatment came out so well is because I take care of it. I put my hat on when I'm in the sun. That's very, very important. Now, you don't have to. But remember that if you don't take care of your treatment by blocking it from the sun, just like any other type of ink work, like a regular tattoo, you are going to have the ink fade at a more rapid rate. So you want to be able to take care of it as much as possible. Wear your hat when you're in the sun or put very strong sunblock. I think it's 100 plus SPF or whatever it is. Now let me show you what it looks like underneath a dark shadow. Check this out. I'm sure you can see it. They did excellent work. Very, very beautiful work. I can't believe how I'm just so impressed. All right. Now you can see that shadow over here, I'm sure. Take it back in the sun. Amazing work. The most realistic work on the market, and that's because they take their time, they use really fine needles, and they go over your scalp with multiple sessions to have a compounding of that pigment. Really tiny dots, and when you add those tiny dots through different sessions, different layers, man, it gives you a really incredibly realistic look. So anyway, I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will link Scalp Logic to this in the comments so you guys can check this out if you want. I've actually lately been thinking, I love the treatment so much that I don't miss any of my regular hair when it does grow out. I really don't miss it at all. I'm actually thinking about bringing down that hairline because I left my hairline where it was. So they just thickened my hair. And if you take a look at the difference between before they did the work and after they did the work, it's a night and day difference. Before, you could see straight through to my scalp even when my hair was fully grown. Now, forget it. It's so much darker. It's darkened by like 3 or 4 shades. And my wife, who was actually skeptical of this procedure in the beginning, she's warmed up to it. And I've been telling her, yeah, I'm thinking about maybe taking the hairline down, maybe rolling back the hands of time a few years, give me maybe 10 years on my look. And so I've been really thinking about that. Amazing work. But you have to take care of it. Keep it out of the sun. Anyway, talk to you later.